Hi everyone, today I'm going to give a review on pure ultrasonic foam mist humidifier. It comes with a 5-year warranty. Also you will have this user manual and this disc cleaning brush. I have been using this humidifier for the last 2 to 3 months and honestly I loved it. I really love this humidifier. Make sure you seal this cap tightly, otherwise it will leak water. I will just plug it in. And then you have to turn on the button here. This humidifier also has this amazing night light. It's incredibly beautiful even to look. The head of this humidifier, it has 360-degree rotation, so it's just very much comfortable. This humidifier comes with auto shut off option, so like when there is not enough water in the humidifier, it will automatically turn off. So it's great to turn it on at night for a good night's sleep. And thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, and please take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye bye.